guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, you guys know from my last video that I bought a fourth Bugatti, the white and blue, and it's the first time I'm told I need to get a smog check for the car to transfer ownership. It's 2006, so I took it in for a smog check and it failed. The guy at the smog shop told me I gotta drive it all the way to San Clemente and back to reset the computer. So I don't know how many miles that is, but it's probably at least 50 to 75 miles. So we're gonna take it for a drive. Hey, I can't complain. I'm forced to drive a Bugatti. So even though time is limited, somebody's gotta do it. So let's take it out. We have quarter tank of a gas. Let's see if we make it. So a lot of people think because it's a Bugatti with 16 cylinders and 4 turbos, you're gonna have to pay more to get a smog check. The reality is, it's the same price as any car. This car still has the tires from when it was manufactured, 2006. So we're gonna drive really slow and in automatic. You know, for the amount of technology they put into Bugatti Veyron, it doesn't have as many buttons as other cars like a Pagani does. So out of all the cars that I got coming, the most exciting one, I have to admit, is a 3-seater McLaren Speedtail, which is going to be completed by November, and I'm hoping I'm gonna have it by Christmas.
What just happened, man?
I don't know. There's a warning light. It says your rear wing is stuck. What the heck? Hopefully it's just a misunderstanding. This car has 7 gears. Mind-boggling. I guess to get to 256 miles an hour, actually 253 guys, you do need that many gears. Let's go to 7th gear, see what is that to RPM. Wow. Under 2,000 RPM and doing 80 kilometers, guys. It really does sound like a jet, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm sitting in a private jet. Which is why Layla hates taking it for long drives. And the first time we took the Mansouri Bugatti to LA for lunch and back, we both had a migraine.
Has Layla driven any of the cars?
Oh yeah, she's driven the Bugattis, and I think that's it. Well, the rest of them are kind of difficult to drive. You know, pedal shifters, Pagani, getting in and out. But Bugatti is amazing. They made the safest, most comfortable, fastest car on the planet. And that's why there's no other car like a Bugatti. Last time she tried to drive the P1, she broke it. Or the car panicked and broke down. Well, we just made a U-E. We got to San Clemente and we're headed back to Irvine. But I can guarantee you, we ain't gonna make it. So we gotta search for a race fuel. Guys, it better pass this time. Look at the heat this thing puts out. Woo! You can have some Persian kebabs over here. Not good. It failed again. Yeah. Okay, let's put gas in. Oh, that didn't do it. I guess I didn't drive fast enough and it failed again. And I'm having a good day with this Bugatti. I think I'm just gonna have to fuel it and drive it this weekend. I have to remember this original tires on this car. Take it easy. Well, at least we got fuel. me. Third time to get a Smog. I guess I didn't drive the car long enough. We should have gone 5 more minutes. Only if I have fuel. I'm bummed, hungry, broken. Nothing to celebrate here, guys. I'm a Debbie Downer today. Well, the good news is 2 of the warning lights went away. Fuel and the wing. Well, only if you could get on that airway strip, I could show you guys what this car can be made of. Of course, after putting 4 new tires on it. Yeah, I'm gonna take it on a 2006 tires. Oh my lord! Please. Oh. Honestly, there's no other car like Bugatti Veyron. I mean, Chiron is better, but I don't know. You know, the Bugatti Veyron still has more, you feel more of the mechanical movements. The Chiron's almost too smooth, to be honest with you. Whoa. Oh my god. What's that noise?
Sounds like brakes.
Don't tell me I need brake pads. That. Today's not my day. Imagine if it is brake pads, or the brake pads probably run $100,000 on a Bugatti.
Yeah, I mean, no, that's...
I've never had to replace brake pads. I mean, that's one you're probably gonna pass out when they tell you how much. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. Today, we couldn't pass a Smog for a second time. I guess I need to drive the car more often to reset the sensors or what have you. But thanks for watching my video. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe below and like the video. And until next week, see you guys later. Be safe. But I saved $20,000 in that 6 months selling peanuts door to door. And I went off to buy a gas station. And unfortunately, I got scammed. I lost all my money. After that, I worked for Winston Tire for a few months, saved money again, and I went and opened the supermarket. After a year, I failed. So one day I'm sitting in court dealing with all the crap, you know, creditors and people I owed money to when I owned the supermarket. And my landlord pulled me to the side and said, "You remind me of me when I was in my teenage years. Came to Orange County with no money, and I started with one small tiny building in real estate. And somehow he had amassed $700 million in real estate holdings." And that's when I had the aha moment. I need to figure out my way of building wealth in commercial real estate. Flash forward 28 years later, I'm a landlord. I've been able to amass every car that I dreamed of, over $30 million worth of cars, $33 million mansion at Pelican Hill. More importantly, I've been able to give back to my kids the life that I never had, and my parents for all their struggles. I retired them many years ago, buying them a ranch. They're living their dreams, and give back to charity that means a lot to me. I've recently pledged $1 million to the Autism Center at Chalk Foundation. I'm super proud to be able to give back to many kids and many families. So another one of my passions is mentorship, which is why I'm excited to share with you today. A lot of my success has been through trial and errors. Over the past 28 years, had I had a mentor early on, I would have saved a lot of money and lots of time and avoid a lot of pitfalls. So lucky for you, I'm giving you the opportunity to be mentored by me. I created something I wish I had when I got started. We call it Manny Khoshbin's Millionaire Mentorship.